So anyways, there it is. It's in. And then to take it out, of course, let's loosen this guy here. It's a very short little bolt or screw, however. There is a little washer on there, so make sure you don't lose that. And you should do this when the bike is cold. And well, this time it's going to come out easy. But they can get jammed in there. And the secret to get that out, if it's jammed in, you have to be a little bit persistent. So if it's jammed in there, take a full size, like a, what is this, like a 1/2 inch or whatever. Now don't jam this all the way in, but it shouldn't go all the way in if it has a proper handle. Put it in the end here, and if it's really stuck in, it's a matter of hanging on to the pipe and just start jiggling it back and forth and pulling hard at the same time, and it will pop out. To take it out or get it in, you don't have to remove this light bracket. It's a little bit tight there, but it will come out. There we go. Mine's not very dirty, and you know what? Some people might agree with, some might disagree how I do this, but just going to use some WD-40. It's a great, believe it or not, it's great for degreasing things, and it also dissolves a lot of greasy solids. So I'm just going to do this first. This is my initial, just let's get things loosened up. And then what we're going to do, I have a little bit of solvent. You can use Varsol or use gas if you want, whatever you have available. I'm just going to go around and again, if it's really, really bad, you might have to use a little bit of a wire brush. I know you can get those nice little small ones, almost like a toothbrush, but I'm not seeing that. It looks like it's pretty good. Just a little freshen up here. I'll show you, it's looking really good. Alright, very nice. So, I think it's looking better. It's certainly clean, so I'm just going to let this dry and we'll put it back on the bike. Then to put it back in, the hardest part is getting the little hole lined up here. And I'll show you. There's just a little screw. Slide that in. Get your head under there and take a look. There we go. Whoa. She's lined up, and so it takes a large size, it says NC3, whatever that is, like a big Phillips. So it's just a small, I guess, screw, bolt kind of thing, and use your fingers to start it. There, finally. Feels like it started. And again, with everything on these bikes, you don't have to super tighten things. Just make sure it feels like it's going in nice, which it does feel good. So I'm not cross-threading it. Oh, while I have the baffle out, let's see what the bike sounds like without the, or baffle, spark rest, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Let's fire it up. Yeah, so that's interesting. Yeah. Of course, I'll show you what it sounds like with the spark arrestor in too. So.
Hey, please give me a thumbs up, like the video, and tell me in the comments what you thought of the sound. Have a great day, everyone.